To view your payment history on eToro, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and access your financial records easily. Step 1. Log into your eToro account. Open the eToro website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the portfolio section. Once logged in, locate the portfolio section on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your investments and view related information. Step 3. Access the History tab. In the portfolio section, find and click on the History tab. This tab contains all your trading activities, including deposits and withdrawals. Step 4. Filter payment history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Review your transactions. Scroll through the filtered list to view your payment history. You can see details such as dates, amounts, and transaction types for better tracking. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on eToro. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the platform's help center for additional support.